Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some gel polish from a company called iMethod Beauty. So let's get right into the video. So iMethod Beauty sent me the holiday collection gel polish set, and these are the colors in the kit. One of the polishes leaked out a bit, but I cleaned it up with some rubbing alcohol. So I got 6 gel polishes. The instructions, and in the instructions you can see the different colors they offer as well. A card, so if you'd like to contact the company. So the colors are really pretty. It is a Christmas gel set, but the colors can be worn any time of the year if you ask me. So I did 1 coat of the red glitter gel polish to show y'all how smooth it is to apply. I'm not a gel polish professional, but these gel polishes are pretty nice. I will leave a link below if you'd like to check out the gel polish set. So most of the gel polishes required 3 coats to reach full opacity. All of the gel polishes have their assigned number and name, so I'll just name them for you. 103 is called Royal Red, and it's a really pretty red. This one only needed 2 coats to reach full opacity. 120 Pearl Blue, a very sheer metallic blue. 119 Nude Kiss is a really pretty nude color. 114 Gold Rock, which is a gold glitter gel polish. 121 Mary in Cranberry, this had a light shimmer to it. 118 Red Carpet is a glitter red polish. So unfortunately this kit didn't come with a base and top coat, so I'm using my Pine base and top coat. Now on my nails I have some builder gel. I will be uploading that nail design next week. It has grown out a bit, but I will be applying gel polish over it, so no need to do a fill. So I apply my Pro Dip prep to my natural nail at the cuticle area. This is done to dehydrate the nail. Now I apply base coat to the whole nail, ensuring that it's on the natural nail as well. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm using my nude gel polish, so I started by applying a thin layer on the nails. It needed 3 layers to reach full opacity. The first layer was a bit splotchy. I was a bit worried, but I continued. When I reached the 3rd layer, I could see how opaque the color was. So I did the 3 layers and cured in the lamp for 30 seconds between each layer. If y'all didn't know, I'm not that good with gel polish. I'm not as bad as I used to be, but I'm still not good either. But I'm gonna keep practicing because it's nice to use gel polishes ever so often. So I'll let you guys watch my gel polish application and I'll be back shortly. Now I'm placing the 4 gel polish colors I'll be using today on my palette. And using my Manicure detail brush, I'm going to be doing some French nails. So starting on the pinky nail with the cranberry color, I just place the color on the nail, ensuring to be careful. If you make any mistakes, you can use rubbing alcohol to clean the area. What I do is I make my French curve a bit higher than I really intend to, so that I can get an idea of how it will look. Then I gradually come down the nail with the French curve. I also look at my nail from every angle just to see if it is even and anything I need to fix. I only needed to do 1 layer on each nail for it to reach full opacity. This is because of the nude color below. So I did most of the gel polish application on camera and I fixed it off camera because I wasn't able to do that and still be in frame. So I'll leave you guys to watch and I'll be back shortly. So this red is my favorite. It's so pigmented and vibrant. I love it. Now, when I was finished, I applied my pine top coat to the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of the design in the comments below, and if there's anything in the video that you'd like to purchase, it will be listed in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.